Okay. I'm speaking to you. I have no PowerPoint. I'm doing some online demonstrations, and I'm speaking to you about good old AGRIS. You know AGRIS? Who of you know AGRIS? So many. FAO program from the 70s. Was a bibliographic database until only on CDs available until the late 90s. Then we brought it on the web. And now I show you what we have done with AGRIS in the last 2 years. So it works still quite normal. If I give here pesticides. Okay, it's quick, no? We got how many results? 49,000 results on pesticides. Is because AGRIS are more than 4 million records. So if you do such searches like this, you find a lot. I show you something much more specific. This is about, not even I know this, Phytophthora megacarya. This is a pest, obviously, what goes on cacao. What you see here is a complete normal bibliographical record. It describes a publication. It has AgriWork keywords. It comes from a journal. It has an abstract. And here we have done some linking. No, these are other similar AGRIS results. What we now have thought is there is a lot of structured information in this bibliographical record. There is a journal name, there is a title of the article, there are AgriWork keywords, and many more structured information. And we thought, why don't we use this to link other open data sets that are on the web to the AGRIS record? And now I show you the transformed bibliographical record. This is the same basis data. So if you look here in the middle, you still have the bibliographical information, what comes out of AGRIS. So this middle part is the information from the AGRIS data backbone. And then we have used especially the AgriWork keywords. AgriWork has been transformed more than a year ago into a linked open data file. All AgriWork keywords represents unique URIs. Don't know if you know this word, but we can use this to link to other data sets. And what you see here is a linking to Nature, at example. Nature has published all the metadata as RDF, so it's a simple Sparkle query, and you get the news. You get to a relatively old AGRIS record from 2000, the last Nature publications on this. Very easy was also linking to DBpedia. DBpedia is also an RDF data set. It's the RDF data set of Wikipedia, and you can simply establish a link between our AgriWork descriptors and the DBpedia vocabulary. So there is no human intervention. Huh? This is an automatic linking through semantic mashups to other data sources. Here's another linking of which I know because I saw it this morning was where it's now missing. If you do linked open data, not everything always works. This time, very strangely, the Google API doesn't work. So what is missing is the full text of the document, what is found through the Google API. But tomorrow morning, if you click this again, you will get it. Here we are linking to GBIF, Global Biodiversity Information Facility. If there are data from the World Bank, we are linking to World Bank data, so the data that Neil and his group are doing show automatically in an AGRIS record if there is a semantic correspondence, because we mapped our vocabulary to the vocabulary from the bank. The bank is not RDF, it's a bit more work to link to the data of the bank, but they have an open documented API. Open documented APIs are already good because you can use them. It's more work as if you would have RDF. But now I want to show you the cherry on the cake, and the cherry on the cake is using your data. We have here, if you click this on, statistics from FAO country profiles and in IFPRI. The Republic of Ghana, we get information here from the FAO country profile application. And then this is a simple Sparkle query against your Sparkle endpoint on the Global Hunger Index. So what we get here is the Global Hunger Index and the child mortality from IFPRI automatically, no? Because you made your data open. You made your data not only open that you gave the right to other people to use them, you made them also open in a way that other people can make a very simple query and can mesh your data into their applications. And this is what is also the message from the conference of the last 2 days. Do like this so that data can be exploited in the most efficient way. And I can tell you, as more data you make open, as more we will link to them through Agris. As more you get visibility also. We have not quite the numbers that have the World Bank statistics, but we also have 300,000 users every month in Agris, what is also not an irrelevant number. And since we do open data, it goes like this, because people do not find only bibliographical records now. We transformed 4 million bibliographical records and 4 million web pages. And 4 million web pages is quite something. And they come also very often in Google, because Google gets them all the 4 millions as static HTML, indexes them, and so brings an enormous amount of traffic to websites of this kind. And so go on with this good work. Go on making your data open so that we in FAO and also other organizations can use them.